I'm just not getting attached to California, if you know what I mean. I mean, I'm not crazy about Arizona either. The only reason I'm really here is because eventually that earthquake's gonna happen. California's gonna go straight into the goddamn ocean, and we're gonna get what we've been waiting for all these years. Beachfront property. She knew exactly where I was going. And I'm buying up tons of land in Blythe. And people think I'm nuts, you know? Tons of land in Blythe. But that shit's gonna be my legacy, you know? Like condos, resorts, something I call Blizzning Land. So that one's going down too. It's in California, in case you forgot. It's going. So they're gonna need a new one of those. And the acreage in Blythe is like $200 to $300. It's a no-brainer, you know? I can't buy an acre for under $100,000 anywhere else. But I'm not crazy about Arizona, you know? You guys crazy about Arizona? Well, fuck you guys too. Last year, we had temperatures in certain parts of the state hitting 126 degrees. That's not even funny.